So these are questions from organic part asked in previous JEE advanced section. So these are actually MSQ based. MSQ means multiple selection question. So more than one option will be answered, but it's not compulsory. There can be one correct option or more than one correct option. First reaction is of phenol with this reagent. Here NaOH is base, so we'll abstract acidic proton from here. So it will abstract this proton and there is formation of an oxide ion. After that we are adding Br2 here, and Br2 will furnish Br plus ions, and these Br plus ion will cause bromination here because this is more electron rich oxygen. It is more effective electron releasing group, so will increase electron density at ortho and para. So this can be the answer. So we can eliminate the options from the given option. So this is actually your meta product, so this cannot be the answer. Attack cannot occur at this position, but all these are correct option. Compound PQS on nitration. So on nitration, which product is forming, which isomer? So first we will consider P on nitration because attack is of electrophile and not to nitronium ion. So it will attack on more electron rich group. So first we will consider OH group and carboxylic group. OH is ortho-para directing in nature. Ortho-para means these are the positions where this can attack. So because para is already occupied, so means attack can occur on this position only. Whereas COH group is meta directing. So with respect to it, the meta position is this position. These are the position where attack can be occur. So from option we can eliminate the option. So this is option number A, where attack is at ortho position. This cannot be the answer. These can be the options. Okay. Now in Q on nitration, NO2 positive attack. This CH3 group is releasing electron density through hyperconjugation. So it is ortho-para directing. This is no doubt ortho-para directing. And this group, because oxygen is having lone pair in conjugation with the ring, this is also ortho-para directing. Now we have to consider its electron releasing effect. Which effect it is using? It is using hyperconjugation. Methyl group is using hyperconjugation, whereas this methoxy group is using resonance effect. Now which one is dominate? Which effect dominates? Because this hyperconjugation involve breakage of sigma bond, whereas it involve non-bonded electron, and we know that reactivity of non-bonded is more. Lone pair is more than sigma bond. So resonance effect dominates over hyperconjugation. It means the group which will come in the ring, nitronium group, it will be decided by methoxy group only. So according to methoxy group, attack can be at this position and para is already occupied. So we can opt the options. In A option, it cannot be the answer. Then in C option, this can be the option. So we are left with C and D. Now last option we have this group, this ester group. Now where this nitronium will attack, it is electron deficient, so it will attack on more electron rich ring. So again it is decided by the group present on the ring, because for this ring, for left sided ring, the group attached here is, the group attached on it is carbonyl group, and carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group. It is withdrawing electron density through resonance. So this ring will become electron deficient comparatively. But on right hand side ring, on right hand side, the group attached, the atom attached to it is oxygen with lone pair of electrons. So it will donate its electron density toward the ring and will make it more electron rich. So it is obvious that the group will attach on right hand sided ring only. So out of C and D, which can be the answer? Okay. So in this case, the nitration occurred on right hand sided ring only, but the attack will be on which position? Because this is electron releasing, this will attack the attack will occur at ortho or para position with respect to this group. So answer number D cannot be the answer because it is meta position with respect to O. So your correct option is C option. Now next is correct acidity order. We are asked for acidity order. Now in acidic strength we know that we have two types of groups. We have phenol and we have benzoic group, and we all know that benzoic acid groups are stronger. Benzoic acid is stronger than phenol. So it means 3 and 4 will be stronger than 1 and 2. Now out of 3 and 4, which one is stronger? Differences of a group attached here, para position, and it is electron releasing group. So it will increase electron density on CO bond, which in turn increase electron density on oxygen, and oxygen will not withdraw electron density from OH bond, means this bond will be stronger comparatively. If it is stronger, it will not easily furnish H positive, so furnishing will decrease. As a result, this will become weaker acid. So it means option is, the order must be 3 is stronger than 4. So which option is having this option, this answer? So this is B option, where 4 is stronger than 3, so this cannot be the answer. Then we have C option, 3 is stronger than 4. So here it is mentioning that 3 is, so benzoic and then phenol, so this cannot be the answer. Then we have D option, 2 is means phenol is stronger than benzoic, so this cannot be the answer. So we left with one option only, 3 is stronger than 4. A option is correct. Now out of 2 and 1, so first and second, because here chlorine is attached, differences of chlorine, whereas it contains hydrogen. Hydrogen is not showing any effect, but chlorine is electron withdrawing group due to its electronegativity. We consider electronegativity always. So it is stronger than 1. 2 is stronger than 1. Next is migration effect out of methyl and hydrogen, which will migrate to the positively charged carbon. So we have positively charged at carbon number 3. This is positively charged. So always remember that if you have oxygen atom with lone pair or nitrogen atom with lone pair on neighboring side of this carbocation, always migrate that group only. It means there is no OH group, so migration cannot be on right hand, from right hand side, but migration will be from left hand side. So it is obvious, it means migration will be either from carbon number 1 or carbon number 2. So option can be eliminated. Carbon number 4, this cannot be the answer, 4 cannot be the answer, so we left with C and D. So migration is from carbon number 2. So which group will migrate? Methyl or hydrogen. So this is the order of migration. You can keep in mind by saying Hafer. Hafer means hydrogen stands for hydrogen, and then PS stands for phenyl ring, and then R stands for alkyl, means methyl group. So this is the migratory aptitude of different groups attached. So it means hydrogen will migrate preference to carbon. So after migration, this positive will come on carbon number 2. So this can be balanced, this can be satisfied by oxygen by back donation. It will donate its lone pair to satisfy, to neutralize the charge of carbon. So it will stabilize. So this is option number hydrogen. D. C is wrong option. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.